Well, turning now to the ongoing firefight in California. Tonight, LA and San Bernardino County are under a state of emergency as firefighters deal with multiple fires.
Yeah, Governor Gavin Newsom declared that emergency at the site of the line fire today. Take a look. The governor is now deploying the National Guard to help firefighters. More than 5,000 personnel, hundreds of engines, water tankers, and air support have been deployed in response. And the state has now secured additional federal assistance to support the response on the airport fire.
And here's where the firefight stands tonight. The line fire in San Bernardino is now more than 36,000 acres with 18% containment. Authorities say they have a suspect in custody who they believe started the fire.
In Orange and Riverside County, this dramatic time-lapse video shows the flames from the airport fire. The fire is now 23,000 acres and 5% contained. Several homes in the area have been destroyed.
And the largest of them all, the bridge fire in Los Angeles County, now more than 50,000 acres tonight with no containment.
Meanwhile, a major fire is burning in Nevada. The Davis fire has burned more than 5,600 acres. Keep in mind, it started in the area of Davis Creek Regional Park on Saturday. There are no reports of injuries, but at least a dozen buildings have been destroyed. Today, officials say they made good progress despite the high winds. It's now 31% contained. So let's get over to Monica. And Monica, is there any relief in sight?
Well, we are seeing relief for tonight. Those peak wind gusts, as you mentioned, really gusty earlier today, over 40 miles per hour near Reno, and that's very close to where that Davis fire is burning. As far as those peak wind gusts locally through the valley, anywhere from about 20 to 25 miles per hour. And again, tonight they have started to calm down. Here's the perimeter of the Davis fire, just to give you an indication of how far it is from places like Incline Village, Virginia City. It's kind of right in between the two. But for a time, folks in Incline Village were hoping that wasn't going to push any farther to the west. Tonight, we have winds roughly at about 5 to 10 miles per hour. Tomorrow, actually, the winds kick up once again. Current temperatures are in the 60s to near 70 for the valley, 50s and 60s for the foothills, and 30s and 40s for the Tahoe Basin. That just really indicates that cooler air mass there. Gusty winds developing, though, as we start to see this ridge of high pressure trying to build back here towards the west, and that's going to elevate our fire danger once again. We're going to see drier, warmer winds, temperatures a little bit warmer than today, so we're going to be tracking those weather impact headlines with the fire danger, but also rain and snow next week.
Ooh, some big changes. Monica, thank you.